Hey Drop Tech fans, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some exciting news coming straight from Google, and it looks like they're shaking things up with a big change in their Pixel phone release schedule. If you're a fan of Pixel phones or just thinking about getting a new device soon, you're going to want to hear this. So normally, Google releases its new Pixel phones around October. But that timing has always been a little off, because Apple usually launches the new iPhones in September. And let's face it, if someone's already ready to buy a phone, they're probably not going to wait an extra month when the latest iPhone is already in stores. Last year, Google made a smart move and pushed up the release of the Pixel 9 series to August. That gave them a bit of a lead over Apple's iPhone 16 series. But this year, it looks like Google is planning to move things up even more with the launch of the Pixel 10, possibly coming as early as late June or early July. Now here's where things get really interesting. Some dedicated Pixel fans recently received a unique invitation from Google for a special event called the Pixel Penthouse. It's happening in London on June 27th, and it's not your average event. This is an exclusive pre-launch gathering for the Pixel 10 series, and only 25 lucky fans will be able to attend. What makes this so special? Those fans will get to try out the Pixel 10 devices before anyone else. They'll be the first to experience the new features, meet and talk with actual Google employees, aka Googlers, and they'll even walk away with some awesome Pixel-themed swag. But getting into this event isn't just about clicking an RSVP button. Google wants fans to answer a few questions first, like what your favorite Pixel feature is and why, what being a Pixel superfan means to you, what kinds of offers or info you look for when buying a Pixel, and even what Google could do to make the unboxing experience more special when you receive your new phone. Anyone interested in attending has to submit their answers, and those 25 super lucky winners will be announced on June 11th. If you're based in the US and want to take your shot, there's a link where you can apply. Just make sure you're over 18, not employed by Google or the government, and not part of the media. That last bit actually rules out tech journalists, which is why most of them never get invited. So why does all this point to an earlier Pixel 10 release? Simple. Google wouldn't be holding a pre-launch event nearly 3 months ahead of their usual timeline unless the phone's launch was right around the corner. And there's even more to this puzzle. Android 16 is expected to roll out in early June, which fits perfectly with a Pixel 10 release at the end of June or start of July. Now let's talk a little about what we know so far about the Pixel 10. It'll be powered by the brand new Tensor G5 chip. And this one's special. It's the first Tensor chip designed completely by Google, without using Samsung's Exynos platform like before. Instead, this chip will be made by TSMC, one of the world's top chip manufacturers. It'll use their second-generation 3nm process, known as N3E. That means we should see improvements in both speed and power efficiency. Plus, since it's designed entirely by Google, we're expecting some exclusive new features that weren't possible before. This could seriously boost the Pixel 10's performance, especially when it comes to AI. So don't be surprised if Google introduces new smart camera tricks, better voice recognition, or even better battery life, all thanks to the new chip. So to sum it up, all signs are pointing toward an earlier Pixel 10 launch, probably by the end of June or early July. With the new Tensor G5, the exclusive superfan event, and Android 16 coming soon, this might just be Google's most exciting Pixel launch ever. What do you think? Are you hyped for the Pixel 10? Would you want to be one of those 25 superfans heading to London for that exclusive hands-on event? Let us know what you think in the comments. If you found this update helpful, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.